the $0 iPhone. You can get the iPhone 12 Pro Max for $0. That's the 512 gigabyte one with full warranty and coverage for about $1,600. I know that's a lot of money, but you can get that $1,600 for free to pay for that iPhone. Let me explain. This is the $0 iPhone. It's not a free iPhone, it's a $0 iPhone because you have to do a little work. Now, there is no such thing as a free iPhone or how to get a free iPhone. There is ways to get an iPhone for $0 with a little work. So that's why this is the how to get a free iPhone video. And I know I just contradicted myself, but maybe this will help with the Google search algorithm. And I'm just kind of testing that out. And let's get started. Basically, this video is about bank bonuses, credit card bonuses, and credit card benefits. So credit card benefits can give you things like additional warranty for completely free, and it can also give you cell phone coverage for any kind of damage, including the screen, or if it's lost or stolen. Now, Apple does have this type of service provided for about $13, $14 a month, something like that. You have to pay every month for this, which is a benefit you'd get on a credit card for free. Now, credit cards have sign-up bonuses that give you free money. And to get these credit cards, you're going to need good credit. With good credit, you can get these credit cards. These credit cards have a sign-up bonus. To achieve the sign-up bonus, you have to spend money, and to do that effectively without changing your spending habits, you're going to have to manufacture spend. Now, I have several videos on how credit cards work or why they're awesome, bank bonuses, and manufactured spend. I'll leave links in the description. But for now, I would appreciate it if you like the video and watch till the end because that really helps the YouTube algorithm. So if you're having any confusion about how this works, for more details, check out those other videos, and I'm going to just give you an outline of how to get an iPhone, the newest iPhone 12 Pro Max for $0. Basically, you're earning $1,600 through these other types of bonuses to get the phone for free. Personally, I think that's way too much money. I would not spend that much on a new phone because there isn't a significant difference for myself. For myself, I don't need the newest camera or fastest processor on a phone or 5G. 5G is way too fast. There's nothing I'm doing that warrants that type of speed. But, some people need it, some people just want it. It all depends on yourself. Now, once you have $1,600 in your account from doing these bonuses, you might want to just buy a cheaper phone and just have $1,000 because that might go a longer way. Or if this bonus doesn't matter for you and you just want the phone, it's your choice. You get whatever you want. I'm just your guide to show you how to do this, which is why you might want to subscribe to Full Value Dan to learn more about these bonuses, these deals, and so much more. Basically, my channel just shows you how to get full value, and yeah, it's a lot of money hacks. There's a lot of credit card bonuses that have a very limited deal. Anytime it's like $500 or more as a sign-up bonus, that might be a limited time offer, and you kind of have to jump on it. So the Chase Sapphire Preferred has an 80,000 point bonus, which can be used as a statement credit for 1.25 cents per point, essentially making it a $1,000 statement credit cashback offer on that credit card. Now, if you have a lot of credit cards, Chase might be hard to get. They do have restrictions on how many credit cards you can have within the past 2 years. Now, if you're new to credit cards, you might have to build up your credit, so this might not be for everyone. Don't worry, we're going to go into some other credit cards and bank bonuses that also give you free money. Basically, you could just be churning money from signing up from a credit card, manufacturing spend to turn that back into cash, signing up for a bank bonus, meeting those requirements. Once that bank bonus is done, then you pay off the credit card, and you just get bonus after bonus. It's a very roundabout way of moving money around to get the sign-up bonuses from banks, and it's completely legal. It's legal in the sense that they don't say you can't do it. The exact equivalent of this is Air Bud. There's nothing in the rule books that say a dog cannot play basketball. There's nowhere in the bank rule books that say you can't sign up for all these different bonuses just to get the sign-up bonuses. Now, they have made some restrictions like the 524 rule, where you can only open 5 credit card accounts within the past 24 months because they don't want people gaming the system. Because in the past, people used to just get these credit card bonuses over and over multiple times. They had the Chase 100,000 point offer. People would sign up, get the bonus, and then close the card after a month and then just reap all the benefits. Basically, Chase just gave them $1,000 for free. They signed up for the card, they closed the card, they signed up again. So that's why there are more restrictions. The same thing happened with American Express, their Platinum card. People would get the card, get the bonus, cancel the card, get the bonus again. Now, American Express has a once per lifetime offer on these credit cards because people took a lot of advantage. Now, there is still room to take advantage for different types of credit cards. You just need to try a little harder. And when it comes to business credit cards, that's another thing. Now I'm going way off topic, and we'll just get back to the topic at hand, getting your $0 iPhone. That's just a little sample of things full value Dan has to offer. I guess I don't like talking in the third person, but I should say the channel name, right? Okay, so the first card you should get is the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. That gives you pretty much $1,000 for free if you can meet those requirements. Now, they do have a limited time offer. I don't know if they're going to extend it. If they don't, then you're just going to have to get more credit cards. Now, I really like the American Express Blue Cash Preferred card. It has a $95 annual fee, but that annual fee is waived for the first year. And when that annual fee comes up, it's very possible for you to get a retention offer where you just call up the bank and say, hey, I'm thinking of closing the credit card. Are there any retention offers available that would help me subsidize this annual fee? Because otherwise, I can't really justify keeping the credit card for another year. Those are the keywords to get a retention offer. And sometimes you just have to call more than once, and that's worth your time, right? Saving $95 for a 10-minute call. And the sign-up bonus for the American Express card is $300. You get a $300 statement credit. Now, that's a free $300, and the card has 0% interest for 12 months. This is key. Now, I don't recommend ever keeping a balance, but if you are going to be in debt, it's best to have 0% APR. The Amex Blue Cash Preferred card does have 0% APR, and I only recommend this card because of the Amex warranty it comes with. The warranty with American Express is extremely generous. Basically, they add on a year of full benefits to whatever the manufacturer warranty is. From my experience, I haven't actually had to use the warranty. I always buy something that has a little risk with an American Express card because I know their warranty is really good from friends and other reports. So I've been lucky enough to not have to file an American Express report, but at the same time, I am not going to abuse it because I love American Express cards and they have a lot of good bonuses. I do not want to be on their bad side, and I will play things by the book while still getting full value. Don't abuse it. Don't file any fraud. I don't suggest you do any of that stuff, but it is a great way to get a free year of warranty on your purchases. Then there's the Bank of America Premium Rewards card. They give you $500 after spending $3,000, and the card has a $95 annual fee. To spend $3,000 with manufacturer spend at 3%, that's $90. plus the annual fee. That's $185 out of that 500. Plus you make a little more from the cash back. All in, I'm just gonna give you the number here because I don't want to calculate it in my head freehand. So this is the number. That's how much you're getting from this credit card completely for free. And to find these credit card bonuses, I'll have some links in the description so you know how to find these amazing bonuses that pretty much give you free money. And remember, I don't want you to spend irresponsibly. You should only spend money on what you need to. If not, there's manufactured spending. Manufactured spending is the process of you converting your credit card available limit into cash and into credit card spend, so then you can pay off that credit card. So basically, it's your credit card, you spend money on that credit card, but you spend it on something that can convert into cash, and then you use that cash to send to the bank, and then you send that money from the bank to pay off your credit card. That's basically it. I also do a lot of content on this type of free money and finance hacking, so please consider subscribing. Now that you have your credit card sign-up bonuses and you have your extended warranty with American Express, you're gonna want some phone insurance. Now, phone insurance can cost you like $5 to $10 a month. Don't pay that. That's absolute nonsense because you can get that for free with a Mastercard World or Mastercard World Elite credit card. So there's 3 levels of Mastercard. There's Mastercard Standard, Mastercard World, and Mastercard World Elite. Let's just reverse that because Mastercard World Elite is the top one and it has the highest benefits. So World and World Elite have a very generous cell phone coverage plan that is not really provided by a lot of credit cards. Visa does have something, but reports say it's not as good and more difficult because when you deal with some insurance programs, they want to make it as difficult for you as possible to file a claim. From what I've seen, MasterCard is more lenient and it's just an easier and overall more comfortable process. So with MasterCard's program, the World Card gets you $600 in coverage for any phone that's lost or damaged. That includes phones that are scratched. So if you have a scratched screen, you can get that fixed. Although there is a $50 deductible. With the World Elite card, you have up to $800 in coverage, and every calendar year, you have up to $1,000 in available claims. So if you have 2 claims for $800, the most you can get is $800 on your first claim and then $200 on your second claim while paying $50 for each deductible. To get the phone coverage, all you have to do is pay your cell phone bill with a Mastercard World Elite credit card. It's that simple. Your cell phone bill is $20 to $80 per month. You have to make sure you pay that bill completely with that Mastercard credit card, and now you have coverage for your cell phone. And that's it. Okay. I hope you learned something. Let's recap. Basically, you can get a new iPhone for $0 because you get the credit card sign-up bonuses, you buy the card with an American Express for the extended warranty, and then you pay for your cell phone service with your Mastercard World or World Elite credit card. That's it. I know if you are a little confused because there's a lot of information to really unpack there, check out the comments or description for the blog post that kind of just lays all this information out for you. And if you could help me out by liking this video, it tells me that, hey, you like it, I'll make more content, provide you more value for free, and that helps me out. Now, lastly, I also have to show YouTube that this video is interesting because YouTube thinks a video is interesting through the social signals. By liking a video and leaving a comment, those are 2 social signals for YouTube to say, hey, people are really engaging with this content and we're going to show this video to more people so there will be more engagement. You can help me out by leaving a comment on what you're going to do with that free $1,600. Would you get the new iPhone? Or would you save that money for something else? For me, I would just keep that money and invest it or use it for something else. $1,600 all in for a new phone is way too much money. I would rather buy any phone that's 2 or 3 years old because a brand new phone is one of the fastest declining assets you could get. The value drops like 40% in the first year. So yeah, I would rather have something that holds its value a little longer, while also I don't really need the most advanced technology when it comes to a phone. I'm currently using the Google Pixel 3, and it's been pretty good. I've had to replace the battery after a year, but that was like really affordable. It was actually less than the cost of a deductible, so I didn't really bother filing a claim. Let me know in the comments what you're going to do with that money, and if you're interested in learning more or if anything's confusing. I'm just trying to trick you into leaving more comments. I don't have anything else to say. This has been Full Value Dan. Thanks for watching, and until next time.